Fieldwork number 4, Differential Leveling. Presented by Moreno Delmark, Nimo Darin, Salvatera Kimberly, and Valispin Dimple. Objectives. First, to acquire and develop the skills of determining the elevation of a point from a benchmark of known elevation by establishing a single setup. Second, to acquire and develop the skills of determining the elevation of a point from a benchmark of known elevation by establishing multiple setups using turning points. Third, to develop the skills in using leveling instruments. The instruments we will have to use are auto level, leveling rod, markers, and plumb bob. Single setup differential leveling. Step 1. The instructor assigns the location of two intervisible points marked A and B, with the instrument setup placed between the points. Step 2. Set up the instrument level at the appropriate points, preferably near the midpoint of the two designated stations A and B. By firmly driving the tripod into the ground, through the tripod leg locks, you can adjust the instrument's height to a comfortable level for the instrument mount. Step 3. Check the bubble in the vial of the level if it is in the center. If not, adjust the screws by rotating clockwise or counterclockwise. Step 4. Take the backside reading at point A while using a plumb bob to keep the leveling rod vertical. The measurement must be accurate to the millimeter or thousandth of a meter. Step 5. Rotate the telescope after point B is in sight. Step 6. The rodman transfers the leveling rod at station B and must hold it with plumb bob alongside to maintain verticality of the rod. Step 7. Take the leveling rod's foresight reading, which must be done to a millimeter or thousandth of a meter accuracy. Step 8. Calculate the difference in elevation between benchmarks using the difference in readings after recording the observed values. Step 9. Repeat procedures from 1 to 8 for second and third trial. Step 10. Tabulate the data in Table 4.1, Single Setup Differential Leveling. Differential Leveling with Turning Points. Step 1. The instructor designates the locations of two more points denoted by the letters A and B. Step 2. Set up the instrument level at the appropriate points, preferably near the midpoint of the two designated stations A and B, by firmly driving the tripod into the ground. Through the tripod leg locks, you can adjust the instrument's height to a comfortable level for the instrument mount. Step 3. If the bubble in the level's vial is not in the center, adjust the screws by rotating clockwise or counterclockwise. Step 4. Take a backside reading at point A where the leveling rod is held vertical with the help of a plumb bump. The reading must be accurate to a millimeter or thousandth of a meter. Step 5. Turn the telescope until you can see the newly established point known as the turning point. As the first benchmark from the instrument, ensure that the turning point is nearly equidistant from the instrument. Step 6. The rodman transfers the leveling rod at turning point and must maintain the rod's verticality by holding it with a plumb bob alongside. Step 7. Take the foresight reading of turning point where the leveling rod is held vertical with the help of a plumb bob. The reading must be taken with a millimeter or thousandth of a meter of precision. Step 8. Transfer the instrument to a different location along the path to benchmark 2, where the first turning point is still visible in the telescope, and repeat steps 2 to 8 until you reach the second benchmark. Step 9. Tabulate data in Table 4.2. Differential leveling with turning points. Thank you for watching.